Ang ating Pangulong Duterte ay nirekomenda ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na ma-charge for betrayal of public trust. The question is whether or not yung pag-utos niya ng mga members of his executive department is considered as betrayal of public trust. Ang betrayal of public trust kasi all and encompassing charge yan. Pero as of today, you cannot charge the president for impeachment due to betrayal of public trust kasi there is no more time for the Senate to do that. At unang-una, yung report ni Senator Gordon has not been approved in plenary. Kailangan approvean muna yan bago charges will be brought before the Congress who will endorse the impeachment charge. Another question there is, sino ang congressman na mag-endorse ng impeachment charge against President Duterte at this time? And if ever there is an impeachment charge, matatapos ba ito? Kasi nag-recess na ang ating Kongreso at Senado and they will return June and only for a 10-day session. So mukhang hindi uubra yung ina-announce na impeachment charge based on betrayal of public trust. The minimum that can be charged against President Duterte after his term is obstruction of justice. And ito yung PD 1829. And ito ay ginagawa ng isang private or public person who will prevent witnesses from testifying. Ito yung ina-allege na pinigilan niya itong mga tao niya from testifying before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. O obstruction of justice can also be pag merong fugitive from justice, tinago mo sa bahay mo at alam mong wanted siya ng batas at tinago mo, then that is also considered as obstruction of justice. Yung tampering with evidence is also obstruction of justice, no? Altering, destroying, suppressing, concealing any paper, record, or document in connection with an investigation. And obstruction of justice will also include using a fictitious name. No? Hindi mo tunay na pangalan, ginagamit mo yung Jose Velarde account noong araw during the time of President era may be classified as obstruction of justice. And of course, itong other elements of obstruction of justice as defined in PD 1829. Marami po tayong Supreme Court decisions na nagdi-define kung ano ang obstruction of justice. At ang penalty nito is 4 months to 6 years in prison. Of course, pag public official, merong perpetual disqualification from public office. No? In the case of Chavez, yung former Solicitor General Frank Chavez, sinabi ng Supreme Court na ang obstruction of justice, any of the elements na minention natin kanina, yung pagtago ng ebidensya, pag-prevent na mag-flow ang justice system in an investigation. And meron din kaso si Juan Ponce Enrile dito, nung inaccuse siya ng obstruction of justice for hiding Gregorio Onasan, yung mga rebellion days nila, at dinala niya sa bahay, pinakain niya, then he was charged with obstruction of justice.